Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Estrada and today I'm going to compare and contrast DNA and RNA from Chapter 4. First, we are going to talk about the similarities of DNA and RNA. Both DNA and RNA are long linear polymers called nucleic acids that carry information in a form that can be passed from one generation to the next. The bases that they use are A, C, and G. They both consist of sugar, nucleotides, and phosphate backbone. Now we're going to talk about the differences of DNA and RNA. We are going to start with DNA, which DNA is considered to be double-stranded. It is protected by proteins and has several repair mechanisms. You can find DNA within mitochondria and chloroplast. DNA uses the sugar deoxyribose. DNA plays no role in translation. The tight structure of a DNA double helix makes it less vulnerable to enzyme actions. Now here we have RNA, which RNA is considered to be single-stranded. It is more resistant to ultraviolet rays. RNA molecules made in a cell are used in a variety of ways. RNA uses the sugar of ribose. A type of RNA helps transfer amino acids to growing protein strands. It can be found inside the nucleus, free-floating in the cytoplasm, as well as within organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum. Well, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.